Introducing the Advanced Witness Series, a WS-5001 Intellect torque tester, a revolutionary instrument that will transform your torque measurement and testing processes. This cutting-edge tool combines precision, versatility, and user-friendly features to meet the diverse needs of calibration, assembly, and tool room personnel. With its single-step access to all functions, the AWS 5001 ensures effortless operation and minimizes training time. You can quickly navigate through various settings and options with just a few button presses. The plug-and-play technology enables seamless integration and reduces setup time. Simply connect the transducer, and the AWS 5001 will be ready to use. It automatically recognizes up to 7 transducers. The AWS 5001 offers a wide range of measurement units, including AWS, in, LB, FT, Newton meters, CNM, KGFCM, GFCM, and KGFM. This versatility allows you to adapt to different industry standards and requirements with ease. To accommodate various testing needs, the AWS 5001 provides selectable filtering speeds from 125 Hz to 2000 Hz. This feature allows you to optimize the testing process for specific applications, ensuring accurate and reliable measurements. With a torque range of 10-100 odds in and a drive size of 1/4-inch SQ, the AWS 5001 delivers exceptional accuracy of 0.25%. Elevate your torque measurement and testing capabilities with the Advanced Witness Series AWS 5001 Intellect torque tester. Its intuitive interface, versatile measurement units, and exceptional accuracy make it an indispensable tool for professionals seeking precise and reliable results. Invest in the AWS 5001 and experience the future of torque testing.